Binili ko to sa Kmart. Nandito na yung iba kong nail polish. Ito na yung food ko, guys. Mag 1 o'clock na. Yun na yung brunch ko. Maruya. Hindi naman, it's not bad. Okay? Sorry, first time ko pa lang to. Tapos na rin akong magluto, guys. So, nakain na tayo. Kaya ito na yung GRWM. Get ready with me. Just show you quickly, guys, anong mga nilalagay ko dito. Mga anong essentials or kaartihan. Hey guys, it's Sunday. We came from church and nagluto ako kasi pinaluto ako ng aking mga boys. So I'm making breakfast kasi maaga kasi yung church namin. Ito na yung pancake. It's ready na. Bacon. I'm gonna put more and eggs. By the way, I'm using this everything eggs, so it has an aromatic blend with chives and paprika. So my kids love this one on their eggs. Okay, pancakes are ready. And look at my coffee corner. Ginawa yan ng niece ko. So pretty, no? Oh, Carlo! And ito rin yung other side, guys. Ang ganda din. Ginawa niya. So, this is an air fryer oven. A mini oven. We haven't used it yet. So, pero gamitin namin yan. Kasi I gave my other air fryer to my bro. So, yan na yung air fryer ko. Right. I have to get the bacons out. Okay, naka-second set na ako dito. So, I'm actually using, guys, Himalayan pink table salt. So, and then, after this, I'll put the black pepper and then yung everything about eggs, spices. Ito na yung food ko, guys. Mag 1 o'clock na. Yun na yung brunch ko. Tapos na rin akong magluto, guys. So, nakain na tayo. Pictorial na ako sa aking kitchen. Okay, let's eat. Pinakain ko na naman sila eh. So, may kain na ako nakakain. Hey guys, gumawa ako ng maruya na saging. I don't know if in Tagalog it's called maruya. Pero sa Bisaya, pinaypay kasi parang pamaypay ito. Kaya lang hindi ako kabisado. Last time, ginawa ko ng sister ko, 3 lang. Kasi hindi ko kaya yung 4, baka mabali eh. Ayan o. Ayan na siya. Kakain pa naman daw yung niece ko, so. Oh, the third one is very thick. Paano yan? I-check natin, guys, kung ano to, success. Oh no. Oh, okay lang yan. Okay kaya yan? Pag Filipino food, hindi ako kabisado kasi ako lang kasi kakain pag sa bahay. Pero kakain yung niece ko, so ginawa ko na rin. Pero trying naman ako, di ba? So guys, so ganito yung ginawa ko kanina. Kaya lang, natakot kasi akong ano pa yan, ma-injure yung kamay ko. Hindi ako sure. So binili lang namin tong saging Frozen na to. Pero tinuto ko siya. Kasi wala namang mabili dito na fresh. Na may ano pa. May skin pa. So, binili namin to sa Filipino shop. Tapos tinuto ko. Oh, perfect naman siguro yan, no? Tapos, ganun natin. Yan. Oh, perfect. Pero tatlo lang yung ano. Tatlo lang siya. Hindi apat. Yung sister ko kaya niya na apat. Ewan ko paano niya ginawa. Oh. Hay nako. Sige lang kakain pa rin tayo. Sige, wag na. Kami na lang. Yan yung niece ko. And, surprise, surprise. I was able to make four na partition talaga kasi parang ano lang IT ayan o, kaya pala. Sabi na guys, at naluto na rin yung aking mga maruya. Hindi naman, it's not bad. Okay, sorry, first time ko pa lang to, first attempt. It's not as hard as I thought. Sana masarap naman to. Ito na guys, yung aking banana fritters. Fritters pala tawag ito. I'm gonna eat. I'll try it with sugar. Of course, I put sugar, but I'll try with cinnamon. Kaya ng miss ko. Masarap daw eh. Try natin yung cinnamon. Sabi niya okay. A dash of cinnamon. Ginawa daw namin tong ano, westernized or with western influence. Western fusion. Okay, try ko. Try ko to ha. Parang siyang weird. May cinnamon. Pero okay naman. No? Hint lang naman sa akin. I did not put much. Kain ako guys. And then I have green tea. Ito yung Korean green tea with roasted rice. Guys, I'm gonna sort this out now. I actually have it here. Binili ko to sa Kmart. Nandito na yung iba kong nail polish. Saka yung mga lipstick, eyebrows. Right, that's it for now guys. Mag-sunset na talaga. I'll show you the sunset is beautiful. So look at the sunset from here. Okay. Oh, nice, pink sky. I already guys finished arranging my dresser. We're going somewhere today. Shopping. Kaya ito na yung GRWM. Get ready with me. I put lip tint already. Now I put my signature red lippy. Kasi hindi ako pag hindi red. Kunti na lang kasi. Ayoko ng Swiss Glow. Ito yung setting spray for my makeup. Paano? Teka lang, ano ba? So, I finished doing my face. Kuha na ako ng eyeglasses. Sunglasses here. Ito yung designer sunnies ko. Ito naman yung, trending lang. Trendy lang. I'm gonna use either Chanel or Gentle Monster. Which one? At for my finishing touches, guys, kunin ko tong mga rings ko. See, I don't go outside without this. So I put it here in this, I don't know what's this called. Just show you quickly, guys, anong mga nilalagay ko dito. Mga essentials or kaartehan. Ito yung aking nail polish to the left, and then yung mga ginagamit ko ng mga cosmetics at the moment. Powder tsaka eyeshadow. And yan yung concealer. And for the eyes, ito yung napaka-cute na blush on at lippy. And ito yung mga lippies ko talaga. And ito yung mga sunnies and eyeglasses na hindi masyadong mahal, pero functional. And here, ito naman yung to the right na drawer. Ito yung sunnies na may mga brand. May eyeglasses din ako dyan. And ito na yung mga para sa eyes ko. So this one is for the eyebrow. Mascara. Little mascara. This is, Benefit primer. And yan yung mga pencils. And you know what they are. And ito yung aking mga ibang ginagamit ko dati. And this one as well from Benefit Lip Kit. So yan lang. Yan yung dresser ko. And ito naman yung aking IKEA Lowboy or chest drawer. So ito yung Lazy Susan for my skincare. Yan. Siyempre may rubbing alcohol dyan. The Green Cross kasi Pinoy tayo. So these are my new serum from my niece. And tingnan nyo to. Ang cute na ito yung comb na to. So that's it for now. Sunset na pala. Tingnan natin yung ganap doon sa aking toilet. Oh wow, ang ganda ng sunset. Grabe. Intense. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my organizational skills. Organizational skills. Till next time. Ciao.